Yo, what's going on, gamers? Welcome back to Season 3 of the UDL. This week we're going up against Hippo, and I'm really nervous. And before we get into it, I know you might be thinking, Raz, you said in week 1 you were going to upload more consistently. Where's the week 2 video? Bad news. I was on vacation for 8 million weeks, and so I had to request an extension with Sam/Ruby, our week 2 opponent, and then work was like, hey, actually, instead of like being at home and available for that time period, come into work instead. And so I had to do that because A, it's my job, and B, I have to make money. I was not working for 4 weeks. And so I was like, can you do another time? And he was like, let me try to figure it out. He had a wedding, couldn't figure out another time. He took the forfeit win because it was completely my fault. No stress. I'm not worried about it. But that's where that video went. This is the team for this week. I'm definitely a little nervous. I would love to get a win. I have lost like 20 sets in a row at this point. Okay, no Manectric, which is incredible. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, his Cramorant Cradilly game. Oh my god, Cramorant Cradilly is so good here. What the heck? I actually think I want to lead Riolu Rhyperior and see if I can't, like, well, I don't know. I think Cramorant Cradilly might be our best bet here, which is so weird. It's a very strange thing to say, but I think it's true. Because, like, Slowking is bad for Rhyperior. No, I think it's fine. And then, obviously, Cramorant Cradilly in the back. I think this team is going to the damn moon. Fingers crossed. Oh, no! I was worried about Manectric because I knew Cramorant did really well here. Manectric was, like, the only thing in the way. So, if you're like, man, this Rhyperior is taking more damage than I thought it would, that's because instead of being Solid Rock, it's Lightning Rod. But that's on purpose. It's because of Manectric. Manectric didn't come, but that's why. Okay, so he does lead Slowking. That's fine. So Prankster coaching is gonna be really, really good here. And then, call me weird, I'm going Shadow Claw into Slowking. Because there's no way he's Ghost Berry. He's probably Grass Berry. Rindo. To account for Bulu. And then after the coaching boost, I don't see us getting O-Code by Beware. We don't get O-Code by Beware because Beware simply does not attack. Coaching comes out, huge Pog. So now we're at +1 attack. Slowking is more specially defensive, but also Shadow Claw is not stab. I don't know. I don't know this calc, if I'm being 100% honest with you. Does not kill. That's fine. Trick Room still goes up. Oh, he goes for Scald. Into Riolu? Okay, that's fine. It's kind of annoying, but it's cool. I'm gonna go for coaching again, and so he was calling a Protect, but he knows that we outspeed, so I expect him to Protect Slowking and go for, like, close combat into Rhyperior. I'm gonna High Horsepower into Beware. Okay, so we called the Protect right. That's great. I'm interested to see how these speed tiers line up, because this is probably his Trick Room mode, right? So I feel like... Okay, Beware goes first, that's fine. He gets, like, very little health back, which is super, super cool with me. he gets no health back, and he's Life Orb. Okay, High Horsepower comes out. We're a +2, but Fluffy kind of counteracts that. Okay, that's fine. Cradilly comes in kind of for free. So now he can't go for Scald into Rhyperior. So I expect him to... I expect him to Fighting Move into Cradilly, and honestly, I kind of expect him to switch Slowking out, because he can't kill Rhyperior, and he can't Protect. So I think he switches it out. So I'm going to go for Rock Slide just to cover my ass. It covers... Okay, so we call the switch correctly. He brings in Vanillux. If this Rock Slide connects, this thing is dead as hell. Please hit this Rock Slide, please. Protect comes out. Okay, so we call that right as well. Excellent. Rock Slide connects on both targets. Fantastic. Vanillux is Sash, I think. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Damn, that's close too. Okay, so call me weird. I'm gonna switch Cradilly into Cramorant to take this fighting move, and then I think I just Rock Slide again, right? Because I can't Protect. I would love to Protect and let Beware die to Hail Chip, but I'm AV. So Cramorant comes in. Ow. Okay, so we called that correctly as well. Cramorant lives. We might die to Hail Chip. I don't know how the numbers add up here. Okay, we connect on both. Both opposing Pokemon go down, which is great news for us. The question is, what does he have in the back? Even if Cramorant dies to Hail Chip, knowing that one of his remaining Pokemon is Slowking makes me feel fine about having Cramorant. Not Cramorant, Cradilly. The question is, what's the other thing? So Slowking comes in, obviously. It is Moltres. I was about to say, if it's Moltres, we might be in a little bit of trouble. So I'm absolutely no questions asked bringing in Cradilly here, because I don't want Scald going into Rhyperior. So Moltres can't kill unless it's like Power Herb Solar Beam. So I expect him to not want to catch this Rock Slide, Protect Moltres, Scald into Rhyperior. So I'm going to go for Shadow Claw into Slowking. That's fair. Can't win them all. Weather Ball? Okay, that's a sick tech. See you later. Big rip. Okay, this is unfortunate, but also I think it's fine. So we're definitely in a weird spot here. I think it depends on how speed tiers go. I feel perfectly content going Grass Move into Slowking and Surf. I think this is not a great... How many turns of Hail are left? 2. Shit. Okay. That's annoying, because it means Cramorant cannot live. So, if he protects Moltres to let, If he protects Moltres to let Cramorant die to hail damage, then there's not a ton that I can do about that, and I think we just lose. Oh. Okay. Cool. So with Mystic Water boost, this might kill. Damn it. Well, good game. Oh, wait! If he attacks into... He attacked into Cradily. That's fine. That's fair. That's respectable. Damn, imagine if he had attacked into Cramorant, though. That would have been sick. So we get some health back from Slowking. Damn it. We almost won this, too. That's so rough. That Hail Chip sucks. That's insanely rough. So... I mean, Hail Chip does not apply this turn, and even if it did, that's not in range of it. He'd live on, like, a little bit. But I do want to protect because I want to force him to not be able to go for Weather Ball. Because our out here is that... Is this choiced? Is this Specs Moltres? I don't think I've seen it go for Protect. I think it's been Weather Ball every turn since it hit the field. I think it's choiced. I don't think 50 HP is enough to live. Where a +1 special attack is 4 times resisted, but with HP like that, I don't know the calc enough. I have to risk the miss. I have to hope Weather Ball doesn't kill first. Okay, it's not choiced. That's good to know. Okay, close game 1. We at least didn't get completely blown out, which is super cool with me. Okay. Slowking is not Grass Berry, because it didn't activate on Giga Drain. There's no way he would bring AV Moltres, right? Okay. Believe it or not, I think we lead Cramorant Cradily, and then... I think Rhyperior in the back feels really good. And then, I mean, like, it kind of has to be Riolu, but I'm not sure if that's 100% true. Actually, I think Bulu Drifblim could be a good lead here. Because Slowking isn't Grass Berry. And we can burn Beware because it doesn't get Guts. Right? I have 17 seconds. Come on, dude. Please load. My computer is insanely slow. Come on! It's not going to load in time. Well, that sucks ass. It doesn't get Guts. Okay, I was right. Okay, Beware Slowking again. We pivot to Drifblim Bulu. So So, Beware is probably running some sort of coverage move for Bulu. And I absolutely expect Slowking to protect this turn. So what I want to do is Wisp into Beware, protect Tapu Bulu. If he sets Trick Room, we're in a bad spot. I don't think he goes for Trick Room. He could go for Trick Room. He could go for, like, Trick Room coverage move into Bulu. Honestly, just being completely straight up with you, I'm still fine with this. Okay, so Slowking is completely gone. That's fine. Protect comes out. That's so cool. That's so cool, dude. I really feel like I'm not asking for that much. Like, if I'm keeping it a stack with you, I really feel like... I just want my fucking moves to connect, you know? Okay, that's totally cool. Okay, that's fine. I mean, it sucks, and it's not, like, fine, but it's fine. Okay, so... Okay. This is not a great position. So... Bulu just went for Rock Slide. I feel totally okay bringing Cramorant and going for Surf Protect. Cause Surf will kill Moltres from this range. What if I go for... No. I could go for Hurricane. I don't want to. So I'm gonna Protect with Bulu. I feel like he switches Moltres out into, like, Slowking. I could call that. I could've. I could've gone, like, Surf, Horn Leech into Moltres. Damn. Dude, imagine? Imagine if I had done that. Okay, so... I feel insanely comfortable going for Horn Leech into Slowking and Hurricane into Beware. I swear to God, dude. I swear to God. Come on, dude. Okay, that's fine. Come on, dude. Thank you. Huge. Huge. That's massive. Horn Leech goes into Protect. That's fine. I hate this Mon, bro. Come on. So, okay. So, Bulu is not dead. Ooh, I feel like this is Freeze Drive Vanillux. So... I feel like I have a turn of Tailwind left, right? Agree? Yes. Okay. So I feel like I go Protect Rock Slide, bring Vanillux to Sash, and either chip Slowking or kill Moltres on the switch. Okay, so he doesn't switch out, that's fine. I could have gone for Horn Leech, but whatever. Rock Slide connects. Okay, so that's going to bring Vanillux to Sash. Just kidding. But that's Surf Range for sure. That's a big flinch. We love the big live. Okay, Blue goes down, but that's totally fine. So, because now we have a field position that I think is pretty beneficial to us. Maybe that's not Surf Range. It is. It's Surf Range. Okay, Tailwind goes away. I don't really care. Grassy Surge also goes away. Okay, now this is what we wanted. So, okay, we can cover everything. Because if he brings in Moltres, it dies to Surf. And if he doesn't, Slowking takes fat damage from this Giga Drain. Okay, so Slowking stays in. We get the special attack boost. So Vanillux outspeeds Cradilly for sure. I don't know it. I don't think it lived! Are you serious, dude? I got fucked by my own grassy terrain. That's so unfortunate. Blah! See you later, bozo. Okay, and then Cradilly gets a bunch of health back from this. Picks up the KO. Incredible. So we should win this. Because Cramorant outspeeds Moltres, and it's in Surf Range. Heat Wave doesn't pick up the double KO. He doesn't get to go for Heat Wave. Cramorant outspeeds Moltres. I keep having to, like, remind myself that my Pokemon is fast. So I don't think Meteor Beam has been revealed. Because I died before I got to use it last game. He might go for Protect just to scout some information, which would be pretty smart. He does not do that. We got the special attack boost. Huge. Okay, big kill. Sweet. So we take game 2. Amazing. Alright, we're going to game 3. That felt good. I think those 4 are still correct. Even if he, like, switches up his lead. I will say that Vanillux is insanely annoying. Oh, dude, Cramorant is so good here. Okay, what if I lead Cramorant Cradilly? What's the worst case scenario? Beware kills Cradilly. That's the worst case. I think that's kind of... Well... Because I could go for Hurricane. I could go, like, Surf turn 1, Hurricane turn 2. But if it misses, I don't think it's reliable enough. Is it? No, because Beware gets rock coverage. I don't know if it has rock coverage on its set. I haven't seen it. But it gets it, and I feel like it's too risky, because I haven't seen very much from that Beware. I've only seen Ice Punch and Darkest Lariat. And I think Protect, but don't quote me on that. I think this is still right. Okay, so if he leads the same thing, which he probably will, I feel like he calls the Bulu Protect. Persian Diggersby. Okay, that's cringe. So... Huh. Icy Wind is pretty good into this lead. So, okay. The cool thing about this is that Driftblim can't be faked out. So, instead of setting Tailwind, I'm going to go for Will-O-Wisp into Diggersby and protect with Tapu Bulu. Dude, can you imagine if I'd let Cramorant Cradilly here? That would be an interesting position. I don't know what would happen. Because Cradilly Diggersby is a weird matchup, and neither of them are immune to Fake Out. Okay, we get our Protect. Persian goes for Fake Out. We knew that was coming. Thank you. Incredible. So that burn is pretty good for us. This Ice Punch is going to hurt, but because of the burn, we live. Holy shit! Damn! Damn! Okay, so Persian has Will-O-Wisp for sure. If I'm being... I have to set Tailwind, so Bulu outspeeds Persian. And then... I feel like his Fur Coat. I don't think this Wood Hammer kills. Maybe it does, though. It doesn't. It doesn't. No way it kills. Well, we know the Sash is on something else. I don't want to risk taking the recoil. I'm going to go for Horn Leech. I do expect it to Icy Wind, but it's fine. Okay, so no Protect, so I could have just attacked into Diggersby. Horn Leech comes out. How much damage does this do? That's good damage. Okay, so if Bulu lives this turn, which it should, then... Okay, so it does go for Icy Wind. That's fine. I don't think it really matters that much. So I feel insanely comfortable going for Wood Hammer into Persian. Because considering how much Horn Leech did, Wood Hammer for sure kills. And it wouldn't have last turn. So I'm glad that I played that the way that I did. I think this is correct. If he switches in Moltres into the Persian slot, I'm fucked. He didn't do that. Okay. We got our Protect off. Does he go for Protect? He does not. He goes for Ice Punch into Drifblim again. That's fine. So I feel super, super comfortable just leaving Diggersby on the field because it can't fight either of the Pokemon that I have in the back. This kills. Just like raw, I'm gonna keep it straight up with you, it's dead. Big recoil is unfortunate. However, I feel like he brings in Moltres here, right? That seems right. But maybe he brings in Vanillux, because both of these mons are really, really weak to Blizzard. Ooh. And he has the speed advantage. Okay, he does bring in Moltres. Cool, 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 cool. How many turns of Tailwind do I have left? I just went for Protect. I think this is my last turn. 2 turns left. Okay, that's actually genuinely kind of annoying. I'm going to Shadow Ball into Moltres, and I'm going to hard swap Cramorant, because I feel like Moltres is going for Heat Wave. Okay, I think that's Surf Range, if I'm being honest with you. Okay, so we called the Heat Wave correctly. Honestly and genuinely, that really looks like Surf range on Moltres. I'm bringing in Cramp. This guy. I'm bringing in Cradilly. I don't know what's going to happen here. I worry that both of my opponent's Pokemon will remain on the field after this Surf, so I'm going to protect. Just in case. Because I don't want it to die. Okay, Moltres goes for Protect. I'm not worried about this Diggersby. After seeing that Ice Punch damage, mom's kind of ass. See? See what I mean? See what I mean, gamers? That's why you cover your ass, you know? Okay. Dude, imagine if Burn procced first. Okay, so Tailwind goes away. I don't really care. Cramorant still outspeeds. I don't know what I want to do with this Mon. I'm gonna go for Meteor Beam. And Surf. Okay, Diggersby goes away, that's fine. It is Vanillux, that's cringe. Okay, so this is Weather Ball for sure, but we've seen in the past that Weather Ball is something that Cradilly lives. And even if it's Heat Wave, I think we still live. I don't think Cradilly can die here. Ah! Okay, Moltres does live, so I was right about it being just out of range when I went for Protect. But, again, we live this. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Sweet. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Okay, so it hits. Great. Almost saved by the berry. Almost. So, I'm going to keep it a stack with you. We've seen this speed interaction, right? Cradilly outspeeds Vanillux. Not Cradilly. Oh my god. Cramorant. Cramorant outspeeds Cradilly. What is happening? Cramorant outspeeds Vanillux. Trouble is, it does not die to Surf. Oh my god. Do I lose this game? No way, right? I go for Surf, and I go for Protect. Cradilly doesn't die, and then next turn, like, he can't kill Cramorant. Next turn, I just Surf again. We live. He's burned. We live. We live. Oh, thank fuck for the burn. Blah! See you later, bozo. No way! See you next week.